how we started just chopping in that zone here. You have to learn to set alerts and not overtrade this, right? So you just have to be more mindful and careful about this, right? So anyway, if that's the first time you're joining us, you will find more resources in the links in the description. Please do check them out. If you enter the Patreon page, there are free resources there as well. You don't always have to pay. So please join the Patreon page too. You will have access to some free resources like the ebook, for example. I'll have, I think, 500 videos of this, so you can watch it at your free time. And yeah, quite simply, a beautiful trade. 1 in the morning, that's it, right? 1 and done. And just setting alerts and not be part of this absolute travesty of a chop. So you understand, with the algorithms, you know when to take a trade and you know when not to take a trade, which is absolutely important. That is an indication that you are in control. You are in control when you want to take a trade or when you do not want to. And so once again, yeah, if you have a trade here, this is beautiful. Your held run is all the way to the end, fine, right? And using what I just taught you over the weekends over the horizontal levels and the algorithmic levels here. Just take a look, it's penny perfect, especially that cup and handle here with that pink algorithm. Wow, it's just absolutely beautiful trade there. Now, where do we go from here? Let's take a look. No surprise here, we reclaim that 5-day from that inverse head and shoulder pattern, and now we are in that buying continuation structure. If the market wants to continue going up in this, absolutely it's possible, but you just have to be careful with this orange here. So it's best if we have some sort of retracement if we do break out from here. But being so close to the 20-day moving average, I would suggest that you wait for a 20-day retest, and by then you will see perhaps a stronger structure if the bulls want to bring this back up. Now remember, I talked about very important concept here regarding the 20-day moving average and the 5-day moving average in the previous video, so please do watch that. Links in the description, or it will be a link that will appear here at the end of the video, so please watch that. I talked very important trend indicators here. Please do watch it, because you will start seeing 5-day trending up and trying to catch up to the 20-day, which will give you some very important clues here to look out for, right? So once again, I mentioned if you want to wait for this to go up, you can afford to wait for 20-day retest, some structure to form, right? By then your 5-day will start trending up. We do form that